สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Hi everyone. Have you been learning Thai for a while but feel like you are not making any progress? That's what me 2 years ago. And I remember how struggling I was when I first learned the language. And these tips that I wish I had known earlier when I first started learning Thai. And I'm going to share them with you in these videos right now. Let's start with the most fundamental tip, beginning with common Thai vocabulary. Many learners make the mistake of trying to memorize random words from textbooks. This makes it hard to actually use Thai in real life. Instead, focus on vocabulary for everyday situations like ordering coffee, making restaurant reservations, going to the doctor, or making plans with friends. Why does this work? Because when you learn words you can actually use immediately, you will stay motivated and remember them faster. So for example, if there are a situation that I would like to use Thai, I often check the dialogue in the Ling app like this to see how Thai people would talk in the situation and practice right after. And now here's the tip that might surprise you. If you want to pronounce Thai properly, you need to study the Thai alphabet. I know what you're thinking. Can I just learn from Roman 9 Thai? You can, but you shouldn't. Here's why the Thai alphabet matters. Thai has 44 letters and 21 consonant sounds. Understand these bases helps you distinguish and understand the whole Thai sound systems. Let me give you a quick example. So we have this word,
bed,
fishing hook, duck,
bed,
spicy.
bed,
They seem similar, right? But they are completely different words. Learning the alphabet and only learning the alphabet helps you catch the subtle differences. This brings us to our next crucial tip, minding your tones. Thai has 5 tones and they can completely change the meaning of a word. Take a word, pa. So we have fish, forest, aunt, same sounds, different tones, totally different meanings. And here's a cool tip that I learned from Cobb, a polyglot who can speak Thai very well. And he suggested that when we practice tones at home, we can use our hand to emphasize the tones of the word. For example, ba, ba, ba. Tip 4. Don't skip the Thai grammar. Thai grammar is quite easy, actually very easy. You don't have to worry about the gendered rules or verb conjugation. However, Thai asks a specific word to indicate past or future tense, like ja means will, I will go to work.
ฉันจะทานอาหารเช้า
Gamlan being he is eating breakfast.
เขากำลังทานอาหารเช้า
Leo already. My dad has already eaten breakfast.
พ่อของฉันทานอาหารเช้าแล้ว
So if you can master these extra common words, it will really help you speak more complex sentences. And now's the most important tip. Speak more. Many learners feel shy about making mistakes, but here's the truth. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you practice speaking, the faster you will improve. So don't be afraid. Just go. Speak. And if you want to improve even faster, immerse yourself in Thai. Watch Thai news, enjoy Thai dramas. I love it. I do. I really love boy loves movies. Or you can listen to Thai songs, find a language partner or a real partner if you can. Now I know it might sound a lot to manage on your own. That's why the Ling apps come in to help. Ling combines all these essential elements in one place. With Ling you will get lessons packed with common useful vocabulary, clear audio from native speakers. I even checked it with my local friends and they said the audio is just so clear and you can have a good references to follow. Click on the slow button so that you can listen carefully and repeat after the audio. Interactive exercise for reading and writing, tone practice with visual guides as well, and all designed to help you learn Thai efficiently. So remember, learning Thai doesn't have to be overwhelming. With these tips and the right tools, you can make steady progress every day. Ready to start your Thai journey right away? Click the link in the description box below and start learning today. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can progress when you have the right guidance. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye!